For the repair of the alarm generator by Hanshin, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use two 20-volt AC power supply and a new oscilloscope. By turning on the power supply, the unit responds accordingly. We observe that it reacts to the buttons we press, and the results are displayed on the oscilloscope. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the alarm generator by Hanshin is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.